I'm Dave Link. I work for West Chicago Fire, and I'm a public safety diver out there.
What's the hardest part about water rescue and recovery?
Visibility,
Yeah.
visibility, and the manpower that it takes to put people in the water and do a search. So,
And what are you excited about adding AquaEye to the team? How do you think it will help your competition?
it's going to help our chances because we have, like I say, we can put somebody in the water, not necessarily tying up a diver, and do a quick scan, and the AquaEye is going to tell us if they see something that's worth checking out. So when we have no idea where to start, that's going to be our best friend. The reason that we went with this is it's also portable and it comes out on our dive rig. So that's about it.